As you are now a member of the Kams Designer Zone family, let us understand the steps involved in getting your dream home designed. For easy communication between you and our team, a WhatsApp group chat is created specific to your project. The process starts with our executive visiting your premises and recording all the measurements. These measurements are then drafted in AUTOCAD and our design team starts working on the furniture layout. Once the layouts are drafted, brainstorming sessions are scheduled to discuss your ideas to finalize the theme and the layout. Once the theme and the layout are finalized, we start working on the 3D POP design options. The flooring, kitchen dado, toilet dado and panel light selection is done in parallel. We submit the 3D POP design options for you to review and approve. The approved POP designs are then detailed out for the execution and given to the contractor to start the POP framing at the site. While the POP framing work is in progress, we request you to visit and shortlist the laminate and veneer options at different showrooms. We then accompany you to get the selections finalized. The electrical wiring of the ceilings is done as soon as the POP framing is over. After this, the contractor starts fixing the gypsum sheets. Meanwhile, 3D toilet design options are submitted to you for approval. The approved toilet designs are then detailed for tile quantity and given to the contractor for further execution. Electrical wiring and plumbing for the toilet are completed. On-site flooring work starts according to the selected flooring. The paint base coat is given after the ceiling and electrification work is over. Based on your choice of modular furniture or furniture made by a carpenter, we submit 3D design options for you to review and approve. The detailed furniture drawings with laminates and veneers are prepared and submitted to the contractor for execution. The furniture is prepared on-site by a carpenter and the modular furniture gets prepared in the factory. The selection of wallpaper, curtains, sofa, bed sheets, cushions, dining set and decorative lights is done during this phase. The painting work starts with the paint selection, which is done on-site or on the drawings. Furniture work is completed. The first coat of the paint is applied as soon as the furniture work is done. All the panel lights are fitted once the first coat of the paint is applied. Major electric work is completed during this phase. The second coat of the paint is finished after the electrical work. Decorative light fittings, wallpaper, curtains installation and sanitary and toilet fittings are done after the paint work is over. Now this is the final stage, when we assist you with the selection of the showpieces through photos sent on WhatsApp and the showpiece decoration is done on site. Your dream home is now ready and the project is finalized only after you sign off. We assure you of our total commitment, professional execution and complete transparency, and we will ensure 100% client satisfaction. Kams Designer Zone. Your satisfaction is our success.